In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best Singer sewing machines in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which Singer sewing machines is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Singer ProFinish Sewing Machine. Singer Sewing Maker. The Singer ProFinish 14CG754 serger has 2/3/4 string capacity, providing a vast option of stitch alternatives for all sorts of projects with specialist outcomes whenever adjustable stitch size stitching device, adjustable stitch length, and also width, differential feed, and also color-coded lay-in threading offer convenience of use. Mobile embroidery equipment. Lug handle makes it easy to carry your serger-free arm stitching device. The optional complementary arm lets you conveniently sew sleeves and cuffs. At 300 stitches per minute with automatic textile cutting, this machine will have you zooming through projects from the first day. 4 built-in rolled hems. Transforming to the rolled hem stitching setting is uncomplicated. A simple access bar relocates the stitch finger, ready for rolled hemming. Stitching machine accessories. A selection of devices are included with the all-purpose foot, needle collection, tweezers, spreader for 2 string stitches, tiny screwdriver, foot control, power cable. User's manual with included stitch guide. The Singer Serger Overlock Maker 14CG754 has 432 thread capacity, providing a wide selection of stitch choices for all types of projects with expert outcomes whenever. Conserve time with hems, joints, and seam finishing. Imaginative stitch alternatives and textile combinations can expand your creative thinking. Here is the item number 4, Singer Tradition Sewing Machine. The automatic needlework needle threader is the most significant time saver. Adjustable stitch size as well as width keeps joints solid and also stops bunching on any type of material kind. A completely automated one-step buttonhole offers specialist outcomes at the touch of a switch. 97 stitch applications. Sturdy metal frame for general resilience and also skip-free stitching. The 110-volt device was developed for the USA as well as Canadian makes use only. The Vocalist 2277 custom attributes 23 built-in stitches, including a fully automated one-step buttonhole. This lightweight, fundamental embroidery equipment flaunts an automatic needle threader, flexible presser foot pressure, adjustable stress, extra high presser foot lifter for thicker materials, and also several layers as well as flexible stitch size and zigzag width. This machine features an accessory array that consists of 3 presser feet, all-purpose, buttonhole, and switch stitching for all your basic stitching demands. The item number 3, Singer Sewing and Quilting Machine Switch Stitch Option. The Singer Stylist 7258 stitching equipment permits you to choose the desired stitch with simply a basic push of a switch. Maximum setups for size as well as stress are set automatically, and also are adjustable with adjustable stitch length and also sew width. Volts, 120 volt. Amps, 0.62. Watts 70 for the Vocalist Stylist 7258 100 stitch computerized embroidery machine offers fantastic worth because it includes loads of free devices. The sewing machine is provided with 100 built-in stitches, making style stitching, home and ornamental stitching, quilting, crafting as well as treasure stitching much easier. Thanks to its sturdy steel frame, it has lasting durability. The computerized stitching equipment with a big LCD screen supplies clear and easy viewing of your chosen stitches, consisting of stitch length as well as stitch width. So size and width can be adapted to customize as desired for your projects. This stitching maker has a lot of other functions like a 6-segment feeding system, integrated reverse, straight threading, programmable needle up or down, electronic begin and also quit, automated bobbin winding clutch, extra high presser foot lifter, rate control as well an automatic presser foot pressure control. The Singer Stylist 7258 sewing maker has 2 stay bright LED lights that illuminate the sewing surface for optimum watching. Item details. Model number 7258 Summary 100 stitch electronic sewing equipment product stitching machine bobbin class 15J needles 2020 and 2045 lightbulb LED UPC 0374318827669. Number 2 on our list, Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Device. The Vocalist Heavy Duty 4452 Sewing Maker flaunts a variety of attributes that make developing stylish garments as well as gifts for yourself as well as others fun as well as exciting. The sewing device with 32 built-in stitches consists of 6 fundamental, 7 stretch, 18 ornamental stitches, and also 1 totally automatic one-step buttonholes. A big variety of stitches for all kinds of stitching as well as best for crafts, homestyle, apparel construction, and far more automated needle threader sewing equipment. After complying with the threading course published exactly on the equipment, this integrated function aids you to easily thread the eye of the needle without eye strain or irritation. High-speed embroidery maker. The Vocalist 4452 sewing machine has a maximum sewing rate of 1,100 stitches per minute, so tasks can be sewn rapidly. The 60% stronger electric motor than standard sewing devices allows it to sew through heavyweight textiles effortlessly. Sewing equipment accessories. For bonus offers sturdy enhanced accessories consisting of even feed or walking foot for layers of material, non-stick foot for leather and also plastic, a 5-pack of dimension 16 needles, and also a clearance plate for thick joints. Best marketing stitching machine. The Singer Strong 4452 stitching equipment is a true workhorse. The top one in our list, Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Machine Vocalist Sturdy Embroidery Maker. The 23 built-in stitches including basic, stretch, attractive, as well as buttonhole stitches enable you to sew a range of jobs, such as fashions, house decor, quilts, crafts, as well as a lot more. Automated needle threader sewing maker. After following the threading course printed right on the equipment, this integrated attribute helps you to effortlessly string the eye of the needle without eye stress or disappointment. Amps 0.7 watts 84 volts 120 hertz 60 high-speed embroidery machine. The Singer 4423 embroidery equipment has a maximum stitching speed of 100 stitches per minute, so jobs can be sewn rapidly. The 60% stronger electric motor offers greater piercing power for thick joint strong steel frame. The Vocalist 4423 strong sewing device is a true workhorse. With durable steel inside the framework, stainless steel bed frame, extra high embroidery rate, and powerful electric motor, this stitching maker can sew via a variety of hefty weight materials as well as gives long-lasting stability. Sewing machine add-ons. A selection of devices are consisted of with all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, switch stitching foot, seam ripper or dust brush, quilting overview, needles, bobbins, screwdriver, auxiliary spool pin felt are all. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best Singer sewing machines amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.